Hello everyone, welcome to AKP's Tech Bytes. Today I'm going to install Google Gemini AI Assistant in VS Code. And here I'm going to create a new Python file to check the capacity of Google AI Assistant, right? First, we're going to print hello world from the Python code. And here it's hello from AKP's Tech Bytes. Now the code is ready. We are going to execute it, right? But before that, the system is going to save the Python code. Now it's done. Let's find out the result of this Python code. Yes, and here it is hello from AKP Tech Bytes. Now we are going to install the Gemini Code Assist. For that, in the left hand side, go to the extension and here search for Gemini. Now install Gemini Code Assist. It will take a couple of seconds to complete the installation process. So let's have a cup of coffee. Now it's done. We can use Google Gemini Code Assist. Now before asking any query to Gemini Code Assist, we need to log in using our Gmail account, right? So first we need to complete that procedure. Now we can ask anything to Gemini AI Assist. So here I'm going to ask for a Python code that's going to generate all the prime numbers up to 100. Let's wait for the answer. Now the answer is available. Let's go through it, and now we can embed the answer into the Python code. Now it's ready. We can execute the Python code. So let's do it. Now the output is available here, right? So it's successfully executed, right? Now I am going to modify the code so that it can take user defined inputs, right? So in the previous code there is no option of user input, but right now I am going to modify the code. So I am asking Gemini for the modified code, and here the modified code is available. So let's integrate the modified code into the Python test.py file. Now it's done. So again we are going to execute it, and obviously here the output is available, right? So first it's giving all the prime numbers up to 100, and next it's waiting for the user input, right? And here it's 200. Now check all the prime numbers up to 200 right now visible in the screen. So it's running successfully. Now this is the way we can use Google Gemini AI Assistant in VS Code. So happy coding.